let me introduce myself. My name is Agustin Widya Ningrum. My student identification number is 63251467. I'm from class 631B 35. My student program is accounting. I'm a student at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Opinion about the new President Prabowo Subianto. President Prabowo has a very strong leadership spirit and does not give up easily. I feel proud and have high hope for new President Mr. Prabowo Subianto. I know his journey is not easy, and I feel sympathy for the great responsibility he carries. I hope he can lead wisely, fairly, and bring Indonesia to become a more development and prosperous country. That's my opinion about the new president. Thank you. Here I will present an English assessment about the simple present tense. Definition of simple present tense. The simple present tense is a tense used to describe regular, routine, or habitual event that occur every day. The simple present tense can also be used to indicate something that is happening right now. Function of the simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express general truths, habits, introduction, and fixed schedules. General truth. General truth refer to general truth or absolute truth. This means things whose truth is certain and generally known. For example, water freezes at 0 degrees. Cats are mammals. Habits. Next is habits. A habit is something done continuously and consistently. For example, my father goes to work every weekdays. I study with my friend every Sunday at the academy. Instruction. Continue. There is an intrusion, which means a command or instruction. For example, do not enter this area. Cook the noodle for 3 minutes. Fixed schedules. Fixed schedules are scheduled but not recurring. For example, the show starts at 7 p.m. The script marks their upcoming Congress in Indonesia on September 1st and October 1st. Simple present tense pattern or formula. So, for the subject I use to be armed and the verb do or a verb without the ending s or es. Meanwhile, the subject you, they, we, and plural subject used to be are and the verb do or a verb without the ending s or es. Finally, the subject he, she, it, and singular subject you to be is and the verb does or the verb ending s or es. Simple present tense pattern formula for noun senses. A noun senses is a senses that status and objects, such as a person, name, profession, place, for anything else that is considered an object. For noun senses, there are 4 types of senses from. Positive from. Positive from refers to senses that have a positive for or value. The pattern for noun senses is subject plus to be plus complement. For example, he is a teacher. I am smart. We are a group for students. Negative from. Well, if it's a negation or denial, it's challenge. a negative form, so I negative form sense is a sense with a negative value. The partner for noun senses is subject plus to be plus not plus complement. For example, Mom is not active. I'm not lazy. They are not here yet. Interrogative from refers to a sense that is in the form of a question. To be plus subject plus complement plus question. For example, is the food delicious? I'm alright. Are you a doctor? Interrogative from with W high question. Finally, there the interrogative form with W high question. For this from the partner in noun sense it's W high question plus to be plus subject plus question marks. For example, who is that boy? Where am I? Why are you late? Simple present tense partner formula for verb senses. A verb sense is the sense that expresses an action or behavior. Therefore, the predicate is a verb. Positive from. For the positive form of a verb senses the part is subject plus verb 1 or verb 1 plus s or es for complement. For example, I read a letter. He goes to school. Negative form. Next, we move on the negative form. For the negative form of a verb sentence, the patrices is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. For example, they do not know where to go. She does not bring an umbrella. Interrogative form. For the interrogative form of a verb sense, the box is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement plus question marks. For example, does he bring the book? Do you like it? Interrogative form with WH question. Lastly, tray is an interrogative form with WH question in the verb sense. The participle is WH question plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement plus question mark. For example, where does he go to school? Why do you love badminton so much? Here are some examples for simple present tense question. Number 1. She to the market every Sunday. 2. We basketball every afternoon. 3. Does he a car? 4. My parents to the move on a month. 5. The cat on the sofa. Correct answer. Number 1. She goes to the market every Sunday. We play basketball every afternoon. 3. Does he have a car? 4. My parents go to the move on a mood. 5. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Thank you for attention. I hope this helped you understand this tense better.